People's Champ Johnny Detroit. Monday, let's first recap the action from yesterday like we always do. Loser Dr. Ed Meyer, after winning 12 straight 3-star NBA totals, he missed number 13 by 1 point as his best bet yesterday. Misses going under by a half a point. Rough loser for Dr. Ed, but he's still red hot right now in the NBA. The flip side, Dave Essler, he was my feature yesterday. He had a Big Ten big bet as Indiana wins outright 72-64 as 2.5-point underdogs, as Big Dave cashes with a great run and a great weekend, and of course a great Sunday for his clients. Right now, latest odds and news. If you haven't read it yet, make sure you do. RJ Bell, they did a feature at the Big Lead as he discussed the Super Bowl, March Madness, whether athletes fix games, and answered some questions about all the haters that we have. So props to the Big Lead for an amazing read, and props to RJ for having the cojones to actually go on there and take some questions that most people in this industry would not do, i.e., why do the people think this, or why did someone say this about you? So props there. Also, pregame.tv, there's a great video up with Brian Leonard, Ken Thompson, and Marco D'Angelo, and they talked handicapping tips, college basketball, in the last home game. So make sure you go to pregame.tv and check that out. Who's my feature today? We're going to stick with Big Dave. 24-7 run. He swept the weekend. Get his best bet today for only $22. I'm also going to keep Dave as my /7 and 30 full days of every pick, every sport that Dave releases, discounted for 24 hours. Some other hot handicappers today. We have Marco D'Angelo. Despite the Game of the Year loser on Saturday, he's 17-4-1 his last 22 daily best bets. That's 81%. Is a daily best bet going today for $25. Dr. Ed Meyer is 87-46-3 in the NBA for the new calendar year, and he has just been destroying basketball. Despite the half-point loser last night, Dr. Ed is on fire. Scotty Spreitzer, 6-1, 46-24 long-term run for Mr. Scott, 3-star NBA total tap-out best bet. And if you're looking for a discounted play, the king of the West Coast, that's good for Lakers in Portland. Big bet today off a huge 7-1 weekend. Get his best bet today discounted for only $18. Over to the free community users, we have streaks by all sports, NHL, baseball, football. Break it down by college and NFL, basketball, and break it down by NBA and college. Win percentage, net profit. Yesterday, last 7, last 30, current season, last 12 months, and the previous year. And today we're going to look at big game 007, 8-0 overall run. Today likes Notre Dame over the Tar Heels. He likes Notre Dame Fighting Irish plus the points. Over the free pick from the Pregame Pros, pregamepros.com. In the right-hand navigation, just click that free picks button, and it'll take you right there. We got Spreitzer, Gleason, JR, Spartan, and Rocky Atkins all up with free picks. Today we're going to look at Spartan, and his free selection is from the NBA. Washington plus the points versus Memphis. That's game 701, 702. He likes the Wizards plus the points. And today he has a triple college bombshell from Spartan for only $25. Don't forget, new to the site, if you never used it, verify the email, no credit cards, no obligation. We'll put $25 in your shopping cart to use any way that you choose. I'm Johnny Detroit. This is pregame.com. Even though it's freezing balls and snow outside, I'm getting ready for baseball season. That's going to do it. And as always, from me to you, best of luck.